Introducing myself and this YouTube channel. The purpose of the YouTube channel is to assist with the EV, electric vehicle revolution, and more broadly the electrification revolution. And it's about doing something that's effective for the cause, so not just activity, and looking to things that could be uniquely contributive that others may not be doing. There's going to be some naturally occurring overlap, and there's going to be a lot of drawing from the works of others in piecing models together and then forwarding the whole model. So the whole model itself could be something, a synthesis that is contributive, to that small degree unique and helping out. And many of the component parts are they're parts that are invention work, technology and so on, are always going to be part of the picture. So a significant part of the way the work is done here is looking at strategy. If I have not got an R&D facility that I'm in charge of and $1 billion budget, then I'm not in a position to go do that invention work. Other people are now working on it, compared to 20 years ago where these things were neglected. But good news now that there's a lot of invention work going on, and there's rapid advance in the quality of electric motors and inverters, the efficiency of it, and looking at different winding structures, topography, and so on. We can go and talk about hundreds of different aspects of the vehicle, and there's a lot of focus on. Other areas where there's a lot of opportunity, but relative neglect. So that's a step-in area to point out what can be done there. So there will be a release of a whole lot of vehicle designs. So that goes to the functionality of the vehicle and the styling of the vehicle. So there's other things in the more broad that go to safety and so on and so on. But if we just keep it here looking at design, there's a whole set of designs that I've put together and will release in some sort of sequence order. I'm still deciding on that. And some of those good results. You do work and see how it turns out, and some don't make the grade, but others ended up being very attractive alternate good designs, and some of them are very useful for pointing the way to the vehicle maker to say, well, do it more like this for the next generation of that model. So that's part of what this YouTube channel will also deliver. This is just looking at the photo up on screen, have some visuals. This is the GLB Mercedes, a good-looking vehicle that has a functionality to it. That sort of boxy, upright cabin area. And this is an example of a vehicle that is not overly big, but it's doing the two-row properly. It's got some good headroom. And the GLB version has some good features. This is the EQB, but we go back to the GLB and say, do it more like that. And just have some visuals on this introductory channel. Then I'll point that out, introductory video, I'll point that out.